Hey everyone, Tech Commentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install or remove a SIM card on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now this is features available on certain models. The US model iPhone 15 Pro Max does not have a physical SIM card, but if you have a phone that's outside the United States, this is what you're going to follow. So the SIM card is going to be located on the left hand side right around here. Here, this is a US model, so it doesn't have it, but I'll show you a phone that does have it, which is this one right here. For example, it's going to be right under here. You'll see it here. You'll take this SIM ejector tool, which comes in your phone's packaging. Now, if you don't have this, you can also take actual paper clip or a earring piece and basically put that in that little hole, and that'll pop out the SIM tray. So you'll get a SIM tray out just like that. Now, once you get the SIM tray out, all you're going to do is take your SIM card, which is going to be the nano size SIM card, and you'll see here there's a cut corner here. Up close, you'll see it, a cut corner. You take your SIM card and you just flip it like this. It almost looks like it's upside down, but it's going to sit flat with that cut corner matched. And then you're going to take your iPhone 15 Pro Max and then just simply slide it back in like that. So that's how you can remove it and also insert it if you need to. And from there on, you'll get your phone service on your phone. It should come up top here. So in your case, you go up top here and it should come up with the service. Now, if you don't have the physical SIM card, you can also set up the eSIM card by going to your settings, cellular, and then if you don't see it, you can click on cellular and you can actually transfer your phone service from another phone nearby or use the QR code. So if you wanted to transfer it nearby, for example, if I have a phone like this, right, you can actually get it to come up and it will say transfer and you hit unlock and then it will transfer that eSIM over. Or you can also take a QR code. If your carrier gave you a QR code for eSIM, it's very simple. All you're going to do is take that QR code. It's going to look like this. You're going to just point it and it will scan it and it will get you your eSIM service running. Or you can manually enter the details, which is going to be listed right under there as well from your carrier. But that's how you insert or remove a SIM card or activate eSIM card on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.